Hi guys, so today we are diving into a dish that's the epitome of comfort, flavor, and tradition. A truly soulful meal that's perfect for any occasion. We are talking about a classic that's loved across generations. Get ready to elevate your rice game because we are making a rich, fragrant, and utterly delicious mutton pulao. This isn't just a rice with meat, it's a symphony of tender, slow cooked mutton infused with aromatic whole spices, layered with perfectly cooked fluffy basmati rice. Whether it's a family gathering, a special dinner, or just a craving for something truly authentic and heartwarming, this mutton pulao recipe is your go-to. So if you are ready to fill your home with incredible aromas and your plate with pure deliciousness, let's get cooking. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 700 grams mutton meat along with some bones cut in medium pieces. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 stock cube. Then give it a nice mix. And marinate it for 1 hour. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add 2 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter, half tablespoon black peppercorns, 8 cloves, 2 black cardamom, 1 maize spice, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 6 green cardamom, 3 bay leaves, and fry it for few seconds. Then add 3 onions sliced. Add 4 green chilies and fry the onion until it is nice and brown. Make sure it is something like this. Then add 2 tomatoes chopped and fry it for a minute. Then add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Then fry it until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add the marinated mutton and fry the meat for 7 to 10 minutes. Then add 2 cups water and cover it and cook it until the meat is nice and soft. Cook it for about 25 to 30 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. Then add 2.5 cups basmati rice washed and soaked for 20 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. Then add 4 cups water. Add some salt to taste. Add 6 stock cubes and give it a nice mix. Then add handful of chopped coriander leaves and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the rice is 80 to 90% cooked. So as you can see that the rice is cooked about 80 to 90% now. Then cover it and cook it on a low flame until the rice is fully cooked. So the rice is perfectly cooked now. Give it a nice and gentle mix. So the mutton pulao is ready. And there you have it guys, our incredibly fragrant and utterly delicious mutton pulao. Just look at those fluffy grains of rice, perfectly cooked mutton, and all those beautiful whole spices. This dish truly embodies warmth and comfort. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's perfect for a family meal or when you are craving something truly special. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.